Universal Friendship Organization UFO Far West Headquarter number 4 की Manung Channa Leiba Meitei HUYEN lalong SINTAM SHANGLEN UFO RONGPUR branch की कुंगी निपान रक SUBA Rising Day THOURAM ngasi ACHAMBA THOURAM AMAGA LOINANA PANGTHOKHRE UFO Central Headquarter Haipok amadi Far West Central Committee ani gi miyang makhada pangthokiba Assam RONGPUR da leiba Masa SHANGLEN की Rising Day THOURAM adugi manuk mangoinana Organization asigi luching purelda ahanbo aina ikai kumnabu ullaba matung UFO Far West Central Committee ki President su oiba retired army personnel kolom kumanjau maitaina ibudo pakang bayekpa malengi firal chingkhat ki baga loinana UFO ge member kaya firal gi mafamda salute piduna ikai kumnabu su utki THOURAM adugi Manung Channa UFO gi member kayana organization asigi oiba hiram sing yauna leiba ki oiba thabak THOURAM singi matang dasu kumna khana ki baga loinana ware kaya masu lauki ngasi ki THOURAM aduda UFO Far West Central Committee President Kolom Kumanjau UFO gi movement instructor Sanjam Biren UFO Far West Headquarter number 2 ki Deputy Commander W Dinesh UFO Far West ki Commander L Rajan Kumar UFO Far West Headquarter number 5 ki Commander Y Yumlingba Far West Headquarter number 1 ki Y Mani Far West Headquarter number 5 ki Secretary L Bimola Far West Headquarter number 4 ki Secretary Khuntrapom Ongbi Ahilya Meitei HUYEN lalong SINTAM SHANGLEN UFO RONGPUR branch ki Thomi Singh amadi tongan ba mafam daki lakpa UFO ki Thomi Singh asu saruk yaki